right, just here. About to fill in some control joints. Already got the backer rod down in, so next thing is to put the polyurea joint fill. This is what we're working with here, and we'll be using XPS Joint Flex polyurea joint and crack filler. Be putting it in the joint, overfilling, and coming back in about 10 minutes with a 4-inch scraper blade and cutting it flush with the polished concrete. Alright, see 3 pumps in the trash. Now they're going to come over here and overfill the joint just like that. Textbook right there. It's exactly what we're looking for when it hardens.
Hashtag Chris Razor.
That's right.
XPS, dude. Doing it for the
Chris
brothers.
Razor, baby. XPS. Be nice and easy with the 4-inch scraper blade. Come right over, cut it nice and flush, and it'll look super good on this floor. And it's pretty much just like that, one-handed, for getting it up. And you can see it's nice and flush, filled the joint nicely. So just finish that all the way down, and this long 150-foot run will be complete.